going to tell us about it.
They won't need the mic. They are loud enough.
We're Sofia,
And Giovanni,
and we want this to be fun.
we don't just want to talk and run
Because
we had a lot of fun.
Our teachers had brain and style to start this project. It's so fine.
And most of all, they had the will to make us enjoy the thrill. So the thrill it all began when right to Belgrade we all ran. We took the train by night. Oh boy, we met you there. What a joy!
We were surprised,
We were confused.
we were delighted and amused.
We were a lot, no one to blame, but most of all, we were the same. We had to live, the feelings stayed, the joy, the will to talk remained.
So we kept talking to each other, writing emails to one another. Thanks to internet, God bless, we did that every day, no less.
There was a border in the way, and we all know for sure one day we have the chance to show them all. To between friends, there is no wall.
Then ACEs called
Diversity.
Now that's an opportunity. We see that we are not alike, but what is there to dislike?
The kick-off set in Bucharest aroused a lot of interest.
And gave us tons of motivation to behave just like one nation.
So when the Serbians came to visit, we put up quite a play. You see it.
It's on the site noborderweebly.com, and there you'll see a lot to choose from.
The place is
It's great.
So
It's the best play you'll ever see, and prove those who have some doubt what being one is all about. It's all about feeling the same, not just looking the same. But with a proper dictionary created especially for you, what is about communication, you'll know exactly what to do.
Then Facebook was a friend indeed, as he was there whenever need.
It was the link that kept united, true friends forever, never divided.
Then in February this year, the Romanian friends appeared. Our group of friends once more enlarged, it made Belgrade seem not so large.
There's one conclusion from the souls,
Some are white,
and some are tall,
some are fat,
and some are small,
some are poor,
and some are slim,
some are Roma.
and some are thin.
You can see this in every country.
Haters explore the party.
And if you were to draw a map and try to put it all in order,
You will be surprised to find out that all over the world there is
No border!